Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Guidely. First of all, big congratulations to all of you, those who have cleared their written examination of IDBI JM. And going forward for the interview, our mock interview slots are available now on the Guidely platform. You can book your mock interview slots. I'll just guide you to the complete process of booking the mock interview slots, how you can do this. So your batch is available on the Guidely. On the Guidely, you can come and you can simply click on the interview part like this and IDBI JM, select that. When you will come below view course, यहाँ पर आपको view course पर click करना है. यहाँ पर आपका interview dates अभी नहीं आया है, so you can leave it. And mock interview slots जो है आपके यहाँ से show करना start कर देंगे. So like today it is 13, we have not opened any slot for today. 14 से आप select करें. There are option mock 1 and mock 2, right? So mock 1 पर आपको click करना है. I'll just keep the cam off so you will be able to see it properly. मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए cam off कर देता हूँ. Now this. So mock 1 आपको पहले select करना है mock 1. After selecting mock 1 you will be getting the slots like this 9, 9:20, 9:40, 20-minute mock it is going to be. So you need to select, lots of slots are available. Each of you can book your mock 1 for tomorrow like this. Then on those who are working people especially they should book. जो working लोग हैं उनको Sunday का slot utilize कर ही लेना है. Otherwise you will be saying that sir we need slots on weekend and all. ये आपके mock 1 के slots हैं like this. So आपको अपना slot select करना है. For example, I want to book for tomorrow and I am assured that I am available at 11 o'clock. मान लीजिए मुझे पता है कि मैं 100% assured हूं that I will be available at 11 o'clock. So I need to select 11. Then there is an option of choose file. तो choose file में आपको क्या करना है? आपको इस पे click करना है and there is a type of CV which is available like this. This type of CV. This is a CV format I have already shared in my Telegram group. This is the CV which was given by IDBI last year. ये last year IDBI ने CV दिया था and this one you need to fill actually for your real interview also. So I'll guide you in one session how to fill the CV. CV को कैसे fill करना है, क्या चीजें आपको fill करनी है, वो मैं एक session में आपको separately बताऊंगा. So this CV you can fill with your basic details. Same CV you need to upload over here. यहाँ पर आपसे पूछा गया application form. So don't get confused. If you have your IDBI application form that you can upload, otherwise this CV you can fill and you can upload the CV for the interview, mock interview purpose. So like this you can book your mock 1. Then you need to select mock 2. Mock 2 को select करिएगा. Like this your mock interview 2 slot will be available. Mock 1 will be taken by me. मैं लूंगा आपका mock 1. Otherwise my team have a working experienced bankers. Those who are currently working on the position of branch manager in either SBI or in some other bank, Canara Bank, or bigger bank in private sector as well, HDFC and all. So they are going to take your mock 1. Mock 2 will be taken by ex-panel member. Ex-panel member, those who are actually taking the mocks, real interviews of IBPS, SBI, IDBI as well. तो ऐसे लोग जिन्होंने पहले भी इंटरव्यू लिए रियल में आपके इंटरव्यूज के IBPS वगैरह के, SBI के, वो आपका mock 2 लेते हैं. So there will be one sir who will be taking your mock 2. So mock 1, mock 2 like this you need to select your options. Clear है? कोई doubt, कोई question, confusion हो, so you can drop the message in comment box. Otherwise I have a Telegram group also. You can connect with me on my Telegram group. This is the link of my Telegram group only for IDBI JM 2026. So you can join the Telegram group. On the same group you are able to find the format of CV. CV का format भी यहीं मिल जाएगा. If you are still waiting to join the batch, join the batch. Go for the live classes. It is already available. Go for the banking awareness videos. They are also available. And book your mock interviews after that. Okay. All the best from my side to all of you for this particular interview. We'll be meeting back in the next video soon. Okay. All the best.